Hello people, it's Sama here, back to YouTube with a new dish. So today I'll be making a finger licking beef curry which is known as the beef tandoori, and that will be on our well-known stove. Well, the name seems tasty. So let's not waste time anymore and go on with the process and see how these fares. And one thing that I have written the whole recipe in short points in the description box below for your convenience. Firstly, here we have half kg cooked boneless beef, then a 2 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon coriander powder, 2 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon whole spices powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 2 teaspoon or as required salt, 2 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoon papaya paste, 1 tablespoon lemon juice and 1/4 cup of yogurt. Then we combine them all well. Now we are to cover and keep it for 2 hours to be marinated. Now we are back after 2 hours, having half a cup oil in a pan and half a cup finely chopped onions. We will fry the onions until they are golden brown. Then we add in our marinated beef. Stir a bit and add a 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce and mix it with the beef. Then we add in a 2 glass or as required amount of water and we cover and cook for 2 hours or until the beef tender. Keep checking in between if the water dries out. The oils have come up, so it is ready. We add in 2 green chilies to make it more tasty and cover and let it be for some more time. In the meanwhile, we heat a charcoal in this way on the stove. Place it on the curry in this manner, sprinkle some oil over it and cover immediately and keep for 5 minutes. Now take the charcoal out and it gets a very nice cold smoke. And our curry is ready. Now garnish, serve and enjoy hot. Hope you all liked my video and please hit the thumbs up button below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe it to stay updated about my new videos. And lastly, thank you all for watching the video. Hoping to see you again in the next video.
Try this with Naan and Pulau. Don't forget to like,